Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of the Freelancer Marketplace tutorial. In this part, we will discuss domain and hosting in details. So first let's talk about domain. Before buying a domain, you need to know a few important things. A bad domain name can hurt your brand, affect your SEO ranking and make it harder for people to find you online. In this video, I will explain what should you check before buying a domain, which domain name are best for SEO, common mistake to avoid. Choose the right domain extension. The first thing to consider is the domain extension. .com is the best. It is the most trusted and widely recognized. If possible, always go for .com domain. .net and .org are alternatives. If .com isn't available, .net and .org can be used, but they are better for networking and non-profit websites. Country-specific domain. If your audience is in a particular country, use extension like .uk, .in or .ca for better local SEO. Avoid strange extension. Domain like .xyz, .info or .biz may look spammy and don't perform well in SEO. Keep it short and simple. Your domain should be easy and remember and type. Keep it under 15 character. Shorter domain are better for branding and SEO. Avoid complex word or phrase. For example, besttechniquesolution.com is harder to remember than taxfix.com. Make sure it is easy to spell and pronounce. If people struggle to say it, they will struggle to type it. Avoid hyphen and numbers. Hyphen and numbers can confuse user and hurt SEO. Bad example, best-laptop-2024.com and good example, bestlaptops.com. People forget hyphens and number when typing a domain, so it's better to avoid them. Use keyword but don't overdo it. Editing relevant keyword to your domain can help with SEO, but don't make it look unnatural. Good example, techgenius.com, brand plus keyword. Bad example, bestgaminglaptopcheap.com. It's too long and spammy. Instead of stuffing keyword, try using a brandable name. They naturally include a keyword. Check for trend and social media availability. Before you buy a domain, make sure it's not already trademarked. If another company owns the trademark, you should face legal issue and lose your domain later. You should also check if the name is available on social media like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube to keep your branding consistent. Buying from a trusted domain registrar. Always buy a domain from a reliable domain registrar like Namecheap, Google Domains and GoDaddy. Be careful with cheap and unknown registrar. They might have hidden fee or bad customer services. .com is the best choice for SEO. .com domain tend to rank better in Google search results because they are more trusted. If your target audience is global, always go for .com domain when possible. Brandable domain perform better. Google prefer domains that look like real brand rather than generic keyword heavy domains. Bad example, bad SEO tricks 2025.com and good example SEOboost.com. A brandable name looks professional, build trust and help you rank better in the long run. Short and relevant domain rank higher. Domains that are short, relevant and meaningful tend to rank better. 1 to 3 word maximum. Avoid unnecessary words like the, best and cheap. Make sure the name clearly represents your website's content. Use company extension for local SEO. If your website is targeting a specific country, using a country code domain can help rank better locally. For example, mybusiness.uk. This domain is for UK users. Best student in IN. This is for India users. And travelguide.ca and for Canada users. But remember, if you use a country-specific domain, it may not rank well internationally. Avoid expired or spammy domains. Sometimes expired domains look attractive because they already have backlinks, but be careful. If a domain was used for spam or black hat SEO, Google may penalize it. Always check a domain's history using tools like Wayback Machine or Google Transparency Report before buying. Final tips and buying checklist. Before you buying a domain, remember these final tips. Choose a .com domain if possible. Keep it short, simple and brandable. Avoid hyphen, number and spammy word. Use keyword naturally but don't overdo it. Check for trademarks and social media availability. Buy for a trusted registrar. Follow these rules and you will have a SEO friendly domain that helps your website grow.